Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to power saving on Samsung Galaxy A25. Okay guys, if your cell phone battery lives a little, then you can follow these ways to be able to save the battery to last longer guys. And how to do that is very easy and I will show you how. Okay guys, so first thing first, you have to turn on power saving on your phone like this. So yeah, the power saving or the power battery is already on. And then the next step is you can go to settings menu on your phone, and then you can scroll down until you found the menu battery and device care. Okay, you can click for it, and then now you can go to battery guys. So yeah, and then now you can go to background and usage limit, and you can turn on put unused apps to sleep. So the apps that are not being used will be set to sleep mode guys. So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to power saving on Samsung Galaxy A25, and thank you so much for watching guys.